Okay, we continue. This here the team decided to develop the system in small portion, allowing the hospital management to provide the regular feedback. Uh, so then, if you are getting regular feedback and development method mean, so in your waterfall model, you are not getting any feedback. You start developing and you finish you hand over to the user after ending the development. But in the iterative method, if you see the book here, in the iterative increment model, you develop the system by getting the regular feedback. Okay. So you develop in the smaller portion of the incremental way. So then for that question, answer is, so then we are doing the second part of this one. So second part, second A. So that means it is iterative incremental model. Iterative incremental model. Okay. So then next question is, so it is, you see the iterative incremental model. So the next question is, the hospital management conducts system decision to decide whether the hospital management conduct a testing session to decide whether newly developed system can be approved or not. So what is the hospital management should perform that one? What is that one? So what is the answer for that question? So that is hospital management conducts a testing session to decide whether the newly developed system can be approved or not. What is the test that the hospital management should perform? So acceptance testing. The acceptance testing only decided whether it is approved or not. So always remember the acceptance testing should be done by the users. So that is, so the B part, the answer is, so the B part answer is acceptance testing. So acceptance testing. Okay. Then, so next one is the hospital management wanted to terminate the existing system immediately and replace it with the newly developed one. What is the deployment method wanted by the hospital management? So what is the deployment method?
Direct deployment.
So direct changeover. So direct deployment method. So in your book, you can see here, they are talking about direct deployment method. You see, in your book, you see direct deployment. So that is, then you can see C part. So direct deployment. Okay. So then next question will be the development. So the development team suggests us introducing a new system initially to the Kandy branch of the hospital before deploying into all other branches. What is the deployment method suggested by development team? So that is called what? So now
Pilot.
run. So pilot deployment. So in the pilot deployment, in your textbook, you can see pilot deployment. So pilot deployment mean clearly pilot deployment mean, say for the example, So it is the company has several branches. So you say in any company has several branches. Say you want to introduce say a small system, say attendance system. So you introduce in this branch. If it is working good, and slowly you move to other branches. Okay. So that is pilot deployment. So in this case, it is uh, so D part. So the D part is D part is pilot deployment. Okay. Okay. So then next question. Uh, the school library is planning to introduce a computerized library management system to replace existing manual system. List two technique that could be used for requirement identification. So what is used for the requirement identification? So what is used for the requirement identification? So you can see here in your book, you can see the requirement gathering methods. What are the methods you know about requirement gathering? So it can be interviewing. Say, you see requirement gathering methods are in the book. You see, you have to remember these things. So requirement gathering either can be observation, interviews, questionnaires, document sample collection. So prototyping, these are the requirement gathering methods. So they keep on asking this one in your paper. So then you can say here two methods no they are asking. So you can say in the E part, so E third part, no, that is question third part. So third part answer is so interviewing interviews and you can say document sample collection. Okay, no. So then, so that is about that question is complete, no? Okay, all right. Then